Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you the various ways in which you can make money online. I have these two friends. One is very sick, he's in the house, he doesn't have any help, but he's making a lot of money online, all thanks to online platform. Another one to have to quit his job because he think what is in online is making more sense than what they are paying him in his job. So what are you waiting for? Learn how to make money online. So today I'm just going to talk about various ways in which you can make money online. I have tried this and it has helped me a lot. So I decided to also share it with you so that you can also earn something online. But if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share as I take you through how to make money online. So let's dive into how to make money online. Become rich. So let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to talk about is freelancing. So freelancing is one of the greatest way in which you can earn money online. So far as you have a skill that you can deliver to others, what you just need to do is search for this freelancers website, such as Upwork, then freelancers.com. There are so many of them. You have to search for them and then you sign up for them. So when you sign up for them, you have to upload some works or some skill that you have delivered to people. So when you upload them there are a lot of people there looking for people to deliver some service to them. So when they see it and then they are interested in it, they will ask for your service for you to deliver such or similar work to them. So when you do that, you get paid for your service delivered. So in doing this, there are some things you have to consider. Even register for the website first, you have to consider choosing a niche. What are you good at? What you enjoy doing? Once you know your niche, you can start targeting some potential clients who need your service. So you have to upload or you have to choose a niche that you are interested in doing, what you enjoy doing, and then for that you can target for people who are in need of your service. So the second thing you have to also consider is building a portfolio. You have to build a strong portfolio. Upload works that are very quality in your platform. So when even you register for this website, there is a platform that is or there's a forum that is made for portfolio. So you have to upload similar works that you have delivered to people, not necessarily online, but some similar work that you have designed. So let me see, you have designed a YouTube banner, you can upload it there. There are people there that are also looking for people to deliver similar service to them. So when they see this work, they will ask for your service. The second thing or the third thing you have to also do is you have to set a rate. You have to tell people the amount you charge in delivering your service. Maybe when I create a YouTube channel for you, I will take you $200. Or when I write an article, let me say consisting of 500 words, I will take you $1. So you have to tell people the amount in which you charge in delivering your service. The third thing or the fourth thing I'm going to talk about is also building a network. You have to get engaged in forums that are related to your niche or communities that are related to your niche, and then you have to start building a network from there. Forums such as Quora.com is one of the many examples in which you can engage in. Then the last thing also I'm going to talk about is you have to be professional. You have to respond to inquiries promptly, deliver high quality work on time, and then build a reputation for being reliable and quality. You have to let people know that you deliver works that are at highly quality, and then also you are or they can trust you in giving their service to you for you to deliver to them. So the second thing I'm going to talk about is one of my favorite and one of the things I love doing. That is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is just a commission business platform model where you can share others' product or service and earn a commission for every sales that you generate. You can find affiliate programs on website like Amazon Society, Share Sales, and Clickbank. So what you just need to do is you have to just go there, sign up for them, and then uh, you share their product or their service, and anyone that buy their service through your link, you'll get pay or you'll get a commission for that. This is very interesting. You don't have to waste your time going out to work and all those things. What you just need to do is share people work or share people product, and you'll get paid in for sharing their product. So in doing this, so there are some things you have to consider. First of all, you have to choose a niche, whatever you are passionate in doing, or whatever you love doing. There are so many ways in Amazon society or fish sales, or even clickbank that you can share. So when you share to people, um, you can share it on your website, WhatsApp pages, let me say YouTube description, everywhere you can share it. And anytime someone click on it, you will get paid for sharing their work. Also, you have to sign up for their affiliate program. So when you get there are a lot of affiliate programs there that you have to sign up for, and then you have to agree to their commissions. So after signing up for, you can post them on your blog site everywhere. So when someone just click on it and then buy the product, you'll get a commission for promoting. So promote that product or service. So as I said it earlier on, product promotion is very essential. So after everything, you have to promote their service. Okay, so when you register for them, you have to promote their service. Also, you have to also track your results. So you have to also know the number of people that click your link, and then the number of people that bought the product from your link, and also so that you can know the amount of money that you have generated for sharing their link. So you have to also choose a niche that you are passionate about. So this will help stay motivated and create content that your audience will find interesting. So you have to also choose a niche that you are interested in or you are passionate about, so that you can create content that people are interesting. So promote high quality product or service. So in promoting, you have to promote high quality product or service, so that people will know that, oh, you are not joking, but you are professional. And whenever they click your link to buy whatever they want to buy, they will get whatever they need. Also, you have to track your results. So in order to earn money, you have to know the amount of people that has clicked your link, or the amount of people that have seen you, or that has bought things from your link, and also so on, so that you can know the amount that you have earned from being an affiliate marketer. So the last thing I'm going to talk about is other income streams. There are many other ways to make money online, such as starting a blog, selling products on Amazon, or becoming a social media influencer. So you can also take these steps, which will earn you a lot. So starting a blog, if you are passionate about a topic, you could start a blog and then make money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. So when you start a blog page, there are a lot of blog pages that you can start with. We have blog.com, we have WordPress. There are, even if you don't have money, there are the free versions that you can start with. And when you are lucky and then your this website is monetized, you can share this kind of products on your website, which people will by all means click on it, buy it, and then you earn money from it. So selling products on Amazon. If you have product to sell, you could sell them on Amazon. Amazon is a great platform for selling products because it has a large customer base, and it is easy to set up an account. So Amazon has a very large platform. Anything that you want to buy, you can get anything, whether domestic or foreign things, you can get it on Amazon. So when you set Amazon account and then you start selling your product on Amazon, you are likely to earn a lot of money online. So I will advise you to start Amazon account, and then it is also easy to sign up for. So I will advise you to start Amazon account and then start selling your products on Amazon. It doesn't matter, anything that you have, you can sell it on Amazon. So it doesn't matter the kind of product you have or the kind of service that you have, so you can sell your product on Amazon. Also, becoming a social media influencer. So if you have a large following on social media, you could become a social media influencer and make more money through sponsors, post product endorsement, or affiliate marketing. So if you are able to build a large platform on social media such as TikTok, let me say YouTube, Twitter, and all the kind of social media that you know about, you can start by, or you can promote people a product through affiliate marketing there, and when people buy it, you are likely to earn a lot of money. You can also get sponsorship that will want you to sponsor their company. Like, you can get a lot of things becoming a social media influencer. So I will advise you to work on your social media handles. Make sure you grow them so that you become a social media influencer. Also, taking online survey. So there are a lot of websites that allow you to take online survey. So when you take online survey, they will pay you based on the survey that you take. So researchers are on a lot of platforms looking for people to take survey for them. So you can take survey for people and then you earn a lot of money. You can also um, set up teaching platforms. So teaching online. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you could teach online courses. There are many platforms that allow you to teach online courses, such as Udemy and then Teachable. So all these platforms allow you to set up an account, and then you come out, you share your ideas. If you're an expert in economics, you come out and then share your ideas in economics, and then you will get paid for the service that you deliver. So I will advise you to choose this kind of product, and then also start out with them. Okay, so I'll end here. But if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and then share. Because as I said it earlier on, we are going to make money here, and I'm going to teach you a lot here. So you cannot afford to lose any of them. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And then if you have any comment to say, or if you have any question, please make sure you leave it in the comment section. I will come and then view them, and then I will reply them one by one. So make sure you leave your comment.